Hello, today we are going to investigate wildlife in Australia, which is the country that's famous for its tropical weather and special animals.
First, let's look at the koala bear. The koala bear has the most famous animal in Australia, along with the kangaroo. One adult koala has a body length of 60 to 85 centimeters and weighs 4 to 18 kilograms. The full colors range from silver gray to chocolate brown. Many people think koalas are bear because its name has a bear inside, but it is actually related to the kangaroo. Koala typically inhabit open eucalyptus forests of southeastern and eastern species, as the leaves of these trees make up most of their diet. The eucalyptus leaves has some chemical poison, so many other animals do not eat them as food. They can sleep 20 hours per day. Now, many fire incidents have occurred in Australia. This destroyed many koalas' habitat. On February 12, 2022, koala bears were added to the list of endangered animals.
For now, we are going to introduce the most interesting animal in Australia, platypus. Platypus is an animal that lives in eastern Australia. There were only one related animal of Durodon, however, they are already extinct few million years ago. They make their home near freshwater creeks, slow-moving rivers, and lakes joined by rivers. As a carnivorous animal, platypus eats insect larvae, small fish, and worms. The most interesting part of platypus is that their fur glows under black light, known as a UVA lamp. Platypus is not endangered. However, it is threatened.
Now, I'm going to introduce endangered Australian little penguins. They're famous and beautiful, but because of some reasons, they're almost extinct, like habitat loss, pollution, disease, and reduced food availability due to commercial fishing. Between June and August, the male penguins return to the colony to either renovate old burrows or dig new ones. Before coming to land, little penguins gather offshore in groups called rafts. They wait for the dusk before crossing the beach to hide from predators, such as birds of prey like Pacific gulls and sea eagles. They feed on small fish, anchovies, pilchards, garfish, and krill, shrimp like crustaceans. And then it is time for the red kangaroo.
Red kangaroo is the biggest kangaroo over the world. We can see them in Australia. They jumping very fast. Males grows up to a head and body length of 1.3 to 1.6 meter with a tail that adds a further 1.2 meter to the total length. Adult males are referred to by Australians as big reds. Females are smaller, with a head and body length of 85 to 105 centimeter and tail length of 65 to 85 centimeter, 26 to 33 inch. Sometimes they jump over the road. It is very difficult for them. It is accidentally difficult, so you can see the kangaroo on the road at an average 50 meter. You can see one red kangaroo on the road.
At the end, I share a very interesting fact about Australia. Based on information, there are over than 74.722 million sheep in Australia. It's 5 times the total population of Australia.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Future more have interest in animals in sport and save them from endangered.